Hey, it's Sean here at A&L Cell Phone Repair. I've got an iPhone 6 with me. We're going to do the repair on it. We got the pull out the replacement screen for it. This is the replacement screen. And go ahead and start by taking out, you got two bottom screws, same size as the other repairs, pentalobe. Go ahead and set that right there. That's a little bit more. Here it is. Okay. What I like to use is like an X-Acto knife. Just don't go in too deep with it. Just enough to get underneath it, and then just use your fingernail. Then stick in a little bit and just like twist it, and then you should be able to just pry it off like that. If you're doing this to just get inside, then don't pull like that. Use a spludger tool just to go all the way across right here. It comes up really easy. You don't have to wear any cables like the 5S. You can just lift it up from the bottom. And there we go. Get your Phillips head. We got 5 screws. Keep them in order. Pull this off. Before that, take your Phillips. Oh, I can use this other one. Take this 2 screws out down here. This is for the battery. You want to disconnect this before you attempt to disconnect the LCD. Let's just make sure that there isn't power going to the screen when you take it off. And go ahead, and you got one cable right here. You got the one on the side right there, and then let's see, you got this one right behind that cable. Disconnect that one, and then you got a cable right there, not that cable, this cable. Okay, that's free. We can set this to the side. Goes like that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take the screws off of this. I like starting at the bottom, working my way up. You can almost draw you like an imaginary iPhone 6 assembly. You know, that's the top and that's the bottom. So this is the bottom. I'm gonna put that one screw, bottom left, it goes there. The bottom right screw goes in the bottom right of my imaginary iPhone 6. I'm going to take my tweezers. I'm going to lift that plate up. The screw got magnetic. And I'm going to put it right where the screw holes are, like that, so it keeps everything organized. And then you got 3 screws on each side. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. We're going to go ahead and take out all of those. Turn around like that. Bottom right. Middle. Top. Other side. Bottom left. Middle. Top. Next we got 2 screws. We got them right here and 1 right there. Go ahead. Oh, and we got a 3rd one. We got 2 at the top and 1 right there. So we'll go ahead and take those out too. Okay, and this just, it comes straight up. And be careful when you're dealing with this top part, because you have the proximity and you want to snag those. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can get a better view of this. The camera flex, it folds over the top of the speaker. So you just want to flip that over, hold that, and then you can pull the speaker out. It just comes out. You don't have to pull anything. And then this is put on with some adhesive right here. So I'm going to use my heat gun. I always have mine set to 300 degrees. You don't have to put it on there for long. You just want to heat up this little bit right here, just to get the glue nice and hot. You can heat up the glass side a little bit. Okay. You can peel that up, and that just comes right off. And then this is kind of, it gets a little tricky right here. What you want to do is, there a cable that comes down right there. You want to try and get underneath that. Just put on with some adhesive. If it's not coming up easy for you, heat it up a little bit more. Last thing you want to do is force this stuff, because it will end up in a headache, and these parts right now are not cheap. Okay. There we go. That's off. Zoom back out. one more screw right there. And we lift this up. Lift the top. Go ahead and get the home button out of there. And that can disconnect.